Hello friends, I'm so excited to share with you. I got a gift from Queen & Co, which I knew they did this, but I've never really paid that much attention to it. This was my first year that I got kind of more into Queen & Co stuff. I ordered quite a bit from them in 2020. It's been a stressful year, as probably for many of you. And so I enjoyed ordering things from them all year. And hopefully I'll be doing some videos showing you just some of the cool things that I have that I want to get to playing with in the next couple months as I'm challenging myself to put more videos out there. But because of how much I ordered, Queen & Co actually sends out a gift. You don't have to get on and register for it. You don't add it to your cart or anything like that. If you have made Queen status, which on their website, if you are ordering and you use the login on their website, they give you kind of like points, and there's different status levels. And if you make it to Queen, they send out a really fun VIP gift. So I thought I would give you a sneak peek of what's inside this Queen & Co box. So I got the green box. This year they did something a little different. Their colors are pink and green, and they couldn't get enough of the pink boxes they wanted to use, so they did different items in the two boxes. I didn't get one of the special pink boxes, but I'm still super happy with my green box. So let's take a look at what's inside. So they fill it with just pretty pink and green. I love when companies do that, where they just make it pretty when you order and also really on brand. So that's kind of fun to start with, but let's pull that out. And then it has this sheet that says, "Thank you, Queen. As one of our loyal Queen level VIP customers, we value your business and appreciate your support. Enclosed is a little token of our gratitude. This Q Shaker kit was made exclusively for our 2020 Queen level customers. Thank you for being our valued customer. It has been a pleasure to serve you in a world filled with so many choices and possibilities. We thank you for selecting us. Happy Creative New Year." And then the sheet just has a few examples that their design team has put together. And then, so it's a kit that has this Q is the shaker part. This is probably a better example here that you get to fill that in. The Q for Queen, right? So I don't usually have a whole lot of use for Qs, but for Queen, that works. The little crown is cute. And then it has both this is the top die that you would put on top of the shaker, and then the outline. So it's kind of nice that it comes with both. And then all the pieces for 3, 4, 5, 6. And then there's actually 2 in here, so it's 12. So 12 foam refills, plus your dies, plus I always love their sentiments. So the sentiment is, "Birthday Queen, enjoy your royal day. You deserve the royal treatment from the crafting desk of the Queen." So I might put this one on the back of some of mine, but I think I'll probably make these up as birthday cards soon. So maybe I'll do a video of that real soon and just go ahead and make them up, and we'll just have a dozen birthday cards for some of the queens in my life. With running a crafty community, there's quite a few crafty queens that I could send some fun birthday cards to. So I hope that you enjoyed that little peek into the gift that they sent this year. And watch for my video of making up some cards for the various birthday queens. Have a great day, everyone.